Hi there, Mark Matson with Beacon Marine and Twin Cities Marine. You can find us online at beaconmarinellc.com. You can see right there that I am right outside of Twin Cities Marine here in downtown Two Rivers, Wisconsin. It's a beautiful spring day, and behind me is a boat that makes my heart absolutely sing. This is a 1989 Boston Whaler Montauk 17 that has been restored from the ground up, brand new power. You're going to love it. Let's take a walk around. Okay, here she is, a 1989 Boston Whaler Montauk 17 with brand new power. That's a Yamaha 74-stroke on the back, brand new binnacle on the helm. We have redone every square inch of the hull and the decking. We've put a brand new rub rail on it. We've inspected the bunks, the tires, the connection, the lights on the trailer, replaced many things. Brand new fuel mats. All of the wood has been completely removed and redone. The vinyl is in nice, clean condition. Up on the helm, brand new Garmin from 2017, brand new analog compass from Ritchie. You'll see our helm plates are clean, original to the 1989 Montauk. The bow rail is clean. There are no bends, there are no breaks. All in all, this is a wonderful example of a piece of American history. That is the 17 Montauk. If you'd like more information on this boat, you can shoot me an email at the address on your screen, or you can find it online at beaconmarinellc.com. Thanks.